Alright, gangy. Got the old batteries out. Gonna put the new ones in. Alright. These are in pretty good shape, but let's go clean them off a little bit. Alright, got the new auxiliary RV battery installed. Alright, gang, got the new batteries installed. Let's see if she starts. Alright, gangy. Got her started, got it going. So we got about 80, almost 86,000 original miles. All the lights are working. The AC, as you can hear, is blowing. Oh. Windshield wipers work. See back there. It's a 1990 Econoline camper van, Hightop, E250 model. Thing is pretty cherry, gangy, and it's running perfect right now. So far so good. Oh, aloha. Good morning, gang. And so it begins.
Simple, one day at a time. Easy does it. Live and let live. Live and let be. Keep it simple, one day at a time. Simple, one day at a time. Easy does it. Live and let live. Live and let be. Keep it simple, one day at a time.
So we got the van all cleaned out and just cleaned the the back of it and vacuum and everything. Anyway, check it out, gang. Toilet over there, refrigerator, plenty storage space. Closet space in the roof. Cool view over here. Stove, power outlets. We get power converter over there, fuse box, water tank under there. For that bed, sliding windows. Get stove. I gotta clean this up and get this working. Get your back. And a cupboard space. Storage up there, still cleaning. Over there. Go over there. Alright, gangy. So we're making progress. So far so good. Let's see, I put new batteries in. She starts up, runs fine. All the gauges, lights, CD player, everything's in good working order. So alright, gang, we'll tackle the front now. Okay, moving out to the front. Carpet's all good.
Simple, one day at a time. Easy does it. Live and let live. Live and let be. Keep it simple, one day at a time.